Hey BellissiMoto friends, Chris here to show you the 2019 Ducati Hypermotard that BellissiMoto is currently building. We have a lot of parts on this bike, and we're definitely going to update you guys on the videos as we put more parts on it. So let's take a dive into this beautiful Ducati Hypermotard. So here it is. It's an amazing bike, fast, fun. Man, you could definitely get yourself in trouble with this bike. So we definitely have a lot of parts on this bike, and we're still currently building it. But let's take a dive into what we currently have. We have the CNC clutch right there. We have the AELLA on both sides, crash protectors. Step up here, we have the CNC gas cap cover. Then we have the Matris steering dampener. This bike is imperative that you get a steering dampener, especially because of the power. It's really light on the front end, so it's just imperative that you get one. We also carry Öhlins at BellissiMoto. And we have the CNC clamp right there, and on here we have the CNC dash protector. We also have the Rizoma brackets as well as Rizoma reservoirs on here. They look stunning. It definitely improves the bike. And then the big ticket items on this bike are definitely going to be on this side. We have the CNC clear clutch cover. It is an amazing product. And it's also 20% off at BellissiMoto right now till 5/20/2020. And then the next thing we have on here is the ZARD Exhaust. Sounds really amazing. We'll actually turn the bike on here in a second to let you see the clutch cover and hear the exhaust. These are just a slip-on. It's not a full system yet, but we'll keep you guys updated. Then we have the hidden turn signals right there. They look really amazing, really good. And we also have the axle bolts right there. So let's take a dive in, listen to this bike, and let you guys see the clutch. So here it is, the Ducati Hypermotard. There's not a lot of videos on installs on this bike, so please feel free to give us a call at BellissiMoto right now. We're open Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. If you have any questions on how to install these parts, we can definitely help you out. Yeah, please subscribe and like for more videos. Next, we're going to be talking about all the gear that we've got. Thank you. Bye.